Welcome to YOKOR Window Installation Guide. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the D handle on the commercial sliding door system. In this video, we have the double door system with the dummy handle and the lock handle. Here's a list of tools required. So first, we're going to grab the outside handle. We're going to grab the lock cylinder. We're going to make sure the key is facing down and the top is facing up. Place it in to the cylinder like so. Grab the spacer to hold it into place. Put it over it and click it in like so. Next, grab the outside handle. Grab the pin. Put the pin through the middle hole and click it on like that. Grab the lock receiver. Place it over the pin so the pin goes through like so. Clicks in. Now you'll see the pin is a little bit long, so we're going to trim the pin depending on the location. So just mark it, take it off and cut one of the lines. It's usually 2 or 3 lines in from the end. Trim that and replace it. Now that the pin is cut, it should look like this. You'll see the non-cut one and the cut one. I've cut 3 lines back and that should be the correct length. Now that you've trimmed the pin, grab the lock cylinder, place it back in the outside handle like so, making sure the lock is up. Grab the pin, put it through the middle hole of the door again. Grab the spacers. This is for between the door so that when you screw it doesn't squeeze together. Place it over. You may have to trim them. They are a little bit awkward to get in, but are very important. You can grab the lock cylinder, putting the pin through the hole. Click it together and grab the screws through the hole, through the spacer, into the outside handle. Next one. Grab the D handle, push the lug in. Grab the final 2 screws through the D handle into the lock cylinder. Push the lug in to check it and lock the door. Okay, now we're going to install the D handle for the striker side of the double sliding door. So first, grab the outside. Now as you notice, there's no lock, it's just a dummy. Place it over the holes. Grab the lock receiver. Once again, there's no lock in it, it's just a dummy. Grab the screws. You won't need spacers. This door is sealed. Grab the D handle, slide it over so it clicks in, then grab striker, goes on the D handle. You've got screws supplied through the slots at the top. What they do, they give you adjustment. So first, we'll just place it on. So now, within this, there is a fair bit of adjustment to move it up and down to make the locking mechanism click into the striker. So now you can test to make sure the handles work, making sure the lug lands in the striker to engage the locking mechanism. And there you have it. Thank you for watching YOKOR Window Installation Guide on the D handle for the commercial sliding door system. See you next time.